Welcome to Nail Affair by Shaniyah. Yep, that's me, little old country gal, lady, I should say. However, throughout this video, we're going to rate these nails that I've actually done, right? So, starting off with this one. This one, I would say that it is a bit messy with the sparkles or whatever you guys call it, and the pink color it wasn't blend properly. So all of these nails that you guys are seeing, all of them is acrylic. So I'm trying to master acrylic first before I move on to any other nail product. That's the catch. All right, so I would rate this nail like from a 5 out of 10, and this was like my first nail, I should say. First nail, acrylic nail that I've ever done, and I would rate it like a 5 out of 10. So I know you guys don't know me and I don't know you, so like through every video that I'm going to upload, you're going to know like two new things about me. So one, I am Jamaican, me a Jamaican, wagwan, little old country gal. However, yeah, moving on to the next nail because finish with this one. Skip now. Right, this one it was a bit ugly. I was trying to actually go for like an almond shape but didn't work out. I was trying to mix the colors but didn't work out. I would give it like a 3 out of 10. Don't really like it. Yeah. Oh, next, this one now, the acrylic product, it was very thin, so I didn't put much acrylic product on the nail. So if I actually put it up in the light, I would actually see through the nail. But I'm not gonna be so hard on myself. I was also trying to actually shape it as well, but the shaping went left. So I would actually rate this like a 3 out of 10 or 2.5 out of 10. I'm not sure. So please drop your comment down below. I want to know your guys' opinion as well. So this one now look like chicken feet nail. You know, like when you look at the chicken feet and the nails on the chicken feet, yeah, that's what it is. But don't go hard on me. I was trying to do like a full set, but the thumb didn't work out. I was trying to actually shape or find a perfect nail for the thumb, but it didn't work out, unfortunately. So I would actually rate this like a 4 out of 10 or 3.5 out of 10. Yeah, 3.5 out of 10. And then secondly, I am 20 years of age. Yep, 20 years of age. Just try to do my little thing here and there. So don't be too hard on me. You guys can drop your comment, but don't be too harsh because I'm gonna reply back. Alright, so yeah, 3 out of 10. What do you guys think? Is it more? Is it less? Let me know. Next, same thing. I try to take like a different position of the nails for you guys to see. Look like chicken feet nail, but it can go on. It is alright. The color product, it's very thin. Didn't put much on the nail because I didn't want to like file a lot of products off the nail. Well, this one now, you see here I'm actually improving, but with this nail I can actually see here where the pink acrylic and the white acrylic product, I was trying to mix it in order for it to actually blend properly, but it didn't work out, as you can see. So I would rate this nail like a 4.5 out of 10. If you can actually see it, it is a bit smaller than my pinky finger, overall, not pinky finger. So I don't know, like a 4 out of 10 or 0.5, I'm not sure. But this one, I love it. This is like my latest nail that I've done recently. I love it because you guys can actually see here where I'm improving bit by bit, step by step. Right, so yeah, your girl is improving, but yeah, I can see here where the side is actually a bit bumpy. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I I'm learning a few things here and there. Right. So remember that I don't know anything about nail, I don't know anything about nail. I'm trying something new. If it work out, glory be to God. Yeah. Next, these are like video of the nails and so forth that I've done. Yeah, the last one. This is the one in which the white and the pink didn't blend properly. But guess what? That's all for this video. You're going to know more about me. Subscribe and share and like. Bye.